Welcome to our vocabulary lesson. Today, we'll learn 10 amazing words, their meanings, and examples to help you use them confidently. Let's dive in. 1. Abundant. Meaning, having plenty of something, more than enough. Example, the garden is abundant with flowers in spring. White heavy checkmark, your turn. Can you name something abundant in your life? 2. Curious. Meaning, eager to learn or know something. Example, children are naturally curious about the world around them. Question, what's something you're curious about? 3. Elevate. Meaning, to raise something to a higher level. Example, good exercise can elevate your mood. Challenge, try to use elevate in a sentence about your goals. 4. Grateful. Meaning, feeling thankful or showing appreciation. Example, she felt grateful for her friend's help. Think about it, what's one thing you're grateful for today? 5. Unique. Meaning, being one of a kind, unlike anything else. Example, every person has a unique talent. Activity, describe something unique about yourself in the comments. 6. Inspire. Meaning, to motivate or encourage someone to do something. Example, her story will inspire others to follow their dreams. Question, who inspires you the most? 7. Hesitate. Meaning, to pause before doing something, often because you're unsure. Example, don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. Pro tip, use hesitate in a sentence about making decisions. 8. Generous. Meaning, willing to give more than what is expected. Example, he was generous with his time and helped everyone. Fun challenge, share a story about a generous person you know. 9. Explore. Meaning, to travel through or look into something for discovery. Example, they plan to explore the forest this weekend. Question, where would you like to explore someday? 10. Achieve. Meaning, to successfully complete or reach a goal. Example, she worked hard to achieve her dreams. Motivation, share one goal you want to achieve this year. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more vocabulary tips.